Hi, my name's Beer. I'm the CEO. I give Windscribe a 4. And for more reviews like this, click the link below. So I tested a number of different products and eventually chose Windscribe. I don't remember the names of the products because it's been a couple of years, but Windscribe came up in a lot of the searches for like best VPN. And I found that it was, met my needs. So I went with it. Initially, I just wanted privacy. So I was using Windscribe, the app, on my phone or my computer. But eventually, I realized that I wanted to run it from the router in my home office. And so, it turns out that they support OpenVPN. So, you get all of the benefits without having to install the Windscribe app on each and every device, which I think is great, and it works like a charm. As far as setting up the app for a phone or a smart device or for the desktop, easy peasy, not really a problem. When I wanted to set up my router to use OpenVPN, I had to do a lot of research on my own. They provided, sort of minimal setup for specific routers and specific device combinations. So I had to do a little legwork there, but it was well worth it. I eventually found the documentation and was able to set it up. So if you're going down that route, you want to do some research first before you actually try and install. If you're thinking about using Windscribe for your business, you want to be aware of like what is your goal? Are you trying to access certain networks in certain countries? Or are you just looking for protection? Is there a Windscribe link, or a set of servers in your state or not? Because not all are supported. So you want to have some information about your geographic relationship. And then also what is the feature set you're looking to have supported for your use?